Hello students, till now we have seen introduction of HTML document structure, formatting and heading tags. The next interesting topic is how to display or how to insert or how to add graphics to the web pages. To display images onto web pages, we'll be using IMG tag, that is image tag. Image tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page, but images are linked to the web pages. This tag does not have any closing tag. An image can be put in a HTML document using image tags SRC attribute. SRC indicates here source. We cannot use only image tag. We have to make use of mandatory attribute, that is SRC, because SRC attribute will provide the path of the file. Let's see the format of the image tag. Image tag, then we have the attribute SRC. SRC will take the URL of the image. That is nothing but URL indicates here uniform resource locator. That is nothing but the path of the image file. Then comes out with equal. Then we have within the double quotes we have to provide the file name. Down we have the example image src equals to, in double quotes we have here the path D drive file name abc dot extension is jpg. This indicates that HTML file and image are in different location. Thus one more example is available. Image tag src attribute equals to file name and extension. In this case, this indicates that HTML file and image file are available in the same location or the same folder. We can store all images for a web page in single directory besides the website's root folder. There are different types of file formats for images like BMP, GIF, JPEG, PCX, PSD, etc. It is better to use JPEG or GIF formats as these can be understood by most web browsers. This tells that images which are to be displayed on a web page better create a folder. There are two main reasons are there. The first reason is to fetch that particular image faster. The second reason is that there are certain browsers are available which will not support if the HTML file and the images are in different location. There are different file formats are there for images like BMP, GIF, JPEG, PSD, etc. But we have to make use of JPG or GIF because this is supported and understood by most of the web browsers. Next, we will see the attributes of image tag. The first one is align attribute. This aligns the image with the parameters left and right. This will display the image on left hand side or right hand side of the web page. Think that suppose if we have to display the image on the center of the web page, better to make use of center tag. Next attribute here we have is src. src indicates here source which will take the path of the image file. This already we have seen even in the previous slide also. Coming to the other attributes, height and width, where we can provide height and width for a particular image. Next attribute is alt. Alt indicates here alternate, where we can provide alternative text. It provides alternative text giving description about the image to the users whose web browsers can't show the images. This means that if web browsers can't display the images, in that case, alternative text, whatever provided by the user, will be displayed on the web page. The reason may be the file name has been changed, or the particular file may be shifted to some other different location, or if the image file is deleted from that particular location, or there are certain browsers are available if the HTML file and images are in different location. In that case also it will not display the images. In that case, alternate text whatever is provided, that will be displayed on the web page. Now the last attribute is border attribute. It is used to specify the border width around the image, and this is provided with the pixel value 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Higher the number, this will increase the width of the border. Now we will see the practical part of image tag. Before we go for HTML coding, in C drive there is a folder by name BCom5. In this folder, there is a picture by name image. The same image we are going to display onto the browser. Let's go back to editor to type the HTML coding, and this will begin with HTML. Later we will take head tag, then title. Title will be image display. This will appear on the title bar of the browser. Close the title tag. Later close the head tag. Open the body tag. Then to place the image, we will be using img tag, that is image tag. Attribute will be source to place the path of the image. Image.jpg, double quotes, close the angle bracket. Later close the body tag. Then close the HTML. Save this particular file. The file name will be image.html. This will be stored in the folder BCom5. Let's go back to the folder, and right now we can see the HTML file is converted to the corresponding web browser icon. Just do a double click on this one and this will be opened in Microsoft Edge browser. I think so all can see here the image. We can zoom in, zoom out by pressing Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus. Now let's open the HTML file in other browser. Just do right click on the file. Open with Mozilla Firefox. Later we can do zoom in, zoom out by pressing Ctrl plus and minus. Minimize. Right click. Open with Google Chrome. Control minus. Now we will see the other attributes of image tag. Align equals to right. Default is left. In that case, align attribute is not required. Height is equals to 200. This can be provided in the form of pixels format or in the form of percentage format. Width is equals to 200. Next, border is equals to 1. Alt, we can provide some message, the alternate text. No display. This can be placed with or without double quotes, but right now we have not taken any double quotes. Save this by pressing Ctrl S. Whenever do any changes or modification, we have to save the file. Go back to the browser and reload by pressing function key F5. Right now it is placed on the right hand side of the window and border is also applied. Right now we will be back with the editor and we will increase the border width by placing 4. Save by pressing Ctrl S. Go back to the browser. Reload or refresh. Things all can see here. The width of the border is increased. Right now we will see how to place image at the center of the web page. In that case, remove the align attribute. Later, before the image tag, place the center tag. After image tag, place the closing of center tag. Save the file. Then later open this one in the browser. Right now we can see that image is placed at the center of the web page. Till now we have seen that both the files, HTML file and image file, are resided in the same location, that is C drive, and the folder is bcom5. Suppose if the location of the image is changed to some other different place, for example C drive, in that case what will be the change? Go back to the editor and here in the path we have to provide the complete location of the image. C drive : /. Save this one. Go back to the folder. Open this one in Edge. Right now we can see the image is displayed. In the same way we can see here on the title bar, the title is displayed. Let's see in other browser whether this will work. Right click, open with Mozilla Firefox. In Mozilla Firefox, the image is not displayed, but we can see here the alternate text is available. This indicates that Mozilla Firefox will not support if image and the HTML files are in different location. This means that for Mozilla Firefox, both the files, that is HTML file and image, has to be in the same location. In the same way, we will open this one in Google Chrome. Right click, open with Google Chrome. Even Google Chrome also will support. This completes the image tag. In the same way, I request the students to watch the video series which are uploaded. If you have system at your place, please practice all the tags. Have a nice day.